Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you find this video entertaining or helpful, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. And if you are a fan of receiving the latest information on credit cards, points and miles, finance, money, and everything in between, then invite the subscribe button to go up the stairs in the atrium to reunite with the notification bell. Such a great movie. So sad. And it's one of my favorites. And if you make fun of me for saying that, well, you can. That's perfectly fine. In this video, we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to do an unboxing of the Chase Freedom card, not the Chase Freedom Flex card. And we're also going to talk about why I decided to product change to this card from another Chase card. I also want to make sure that I cover exactly what a product change is. If you are new to the points and miles game, you want to make sure that you stay tuned for that. We've got a lot to cover. Before I get to the unboxing, I do want to explain exactly why I got the Chase Freedom card. The first question you may ask if you're new to points and miles is, what is a product change? And simply put, a product change is after you have a card for 1 year and the annual fee hits, or if it's a no annual fee card, you just reevaluate after you've had the card open for a year. You can decide if you want to keep that card, pay the annual fee, or you can change to another card that has better benefits or that maybe doesn't have an annual fee. You'll also only be able to do this between personal to personal cards or business to business cards. So you cannot product change from a Chase business card, for example, to a Chase personal card. So just keep that in mind. I'm coming from the Chase Freedom Unlimited card in this case, and I had a few different options that I could product change to. That being the Chase Freedom card, which I'm going to talk about today, the Freedom Flex card, and then the Chase Sapphire brand of cards as well. So there are some options there. In this case, I decided to product change from the Chase Freedom Unlimited to the Chase Freedom card. Now you may be asking, Brandon, where in the world are you seeing this Chase Freedom card? Because when I go online and I go to my Google machine and I type in Chase Freedom or Chase Freedom Unlimited, the only two options that come up are the Chase Freedom Unlimited card or the Chase Freedom Flex card. And you are correct, because new applicants cannot apply for the Chase Freedom card. However, if you already have a Chase Ultimate Rewards earning card, you can product change to the old school Chase Freedom. They basically rebranded the card to the Chase Freedom Flex, made a couple small changes in the benefits. One is a Visa, one is a MasterCard. One interesting note to keep in mind is I already have a Chase Freedom card in my wallet right now. So this will be my second Chase Freedom card. The reason that I did not get the Chase Freedom Flex card is because when I product change, I don't get the sign-up offer on the Chase Freedom Flex card. So what I'm doing, I went to another Chase Freedom card, and then if I ever want to apply to the Chase Freedom Flex down the road, I can do that and earn a sign-up bonus on that card because it is a different product that I've never had before. So this leaves the option for me to do that if I want to. Just to give you another example of another product change that I did earlier this year with Chase, at one time I had the Chase Ink Business Preferred card. That carried a $95 annual fee. After I had that card for 1 year and the annual fee showed up of $95, I had a decision to make. Do I want to keep this card, and does it offer benefits that are above and beyond what other cards are offering me to help justify the $95 annual fee? In that particular case, I decided that that card was not for me anymore. I collected a nice sign-up offer on it. I was very happy with it. So in that case, I decided to product change to the Chase Ink Unlimited card and not pay the $95 annual fee. So again, business to business, personal to personal, make sure you keep that separate and fully understand that. The reason that I decided to part ways with the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is because I was using it as my catch-all card to earn 1.5 times URs on all purchases that were outside of bonus categories with other cards. However, now I've got the Chase Ink Unlimited card, which also offers 1.5 times Ultimate Rewards on all purchases outside of extra points multiplier categories with other cards. So I didn't need both of those in my wallet at the same time. The reason that I had both in there at the same time, you may be asking, is because I started with the Chase Freedom Unlimited, but once I started exploring the Chase Ink business cards, it became pretty clear that, hey, there's some great sign-up bonuses on the business cards, and I decided to collect those, and that created a situation where I had two cards that did the same thing. That's why I decided to remove the Chase Freedom Unlimited card at the end of the day. Just didn't make sense to duplicate effort, take up an extra space in my wallet. It just simplifies things a lot for me. So hopefully you're a little bit clear on why I decided to product change and what a product change is, but now it's time to get down to my favorite part of these videos, and that is the unboxing. All right, so I have a feeling my delivery person is right around the corner bringing my new free... Ooh, that sounds scary. Should I go check that mysterious sound? I don't know. I'm gonna stick my hand out here. Thank goodness. I always get nervous when I hear footsteps coming towards me. You never know these days. Wait a minute. This thing's already been opened. I'm going to have to look at maybe a change in my mail delivery person. I don't know. Actually, what happened, this is my second time filming this video. All right, the first time I recorded it, I did the entire unboxing and forgot to turn the sound on. So unless you wanted a video with no sound and subtitles, maybe I'll put that out later, I decided to just re-record it because you deserve nothing but the best. So here, I'm going to reenact the envelope opening. There we go, open that up. And you'll notice this does come in an envelope versus a box. Some of my previous unboxings you've seen, especially with the cards like the American Express Platinum card, the more premium cards, come in a really decorative box. They look really nice. For the Chase Freedom card, that is not the case. And it looks like I have a $3,000 credit limit, nothing crazy. I also have this, welcome to Chase Freedom. Your rewards program agreement is inside. Well, great. And you know what? These things make terrific bedtime reading. And let me just say this. I know I make fun of that sometimes, but if you're new to the Points and Miles game and you really want to investigate what you can get with your card, because it can be confusing. There are a lot of benefits and perks with all these cards that's hard to keep up with. Actually keep these in your nightstand and read them. Once you read a few of these, you'll get the gist of it and you'll know how to operate with these cards. But as you get started, keep them in your nightstand. If nothing else, it'll put you to sleep. All right, and here we go. Guide to Benefits. Again, another long book of just stuff. All right, it's basically your guide to benefits. So make sure that you take a look at this as well. Again, if you're new to the game, keep these in your nightstand until you get comfortable with Chase or American Express or whatever cards you have, and make sure you understand all the terms and conditions, the benefits that you're getting with these cards, and max them out, because that's the entire point of doing all this. Max out your benefits. And let's see what we have. Ooh, I see a card. If you're familiar with Chase credit cards, then you're familiar with the shade of blue that's on the Freedom card. So nothing spectacular there. If you flip it on the edge here, you'll notice that it does have a green border around the edge. It's not very thick at all.
That's what she said.
And it shouldn't be thick because this is not a premium card by any means. When you're talking about cards that I'm unboxed recently, like the American Express Platinum and the higher annual fee cards that get you more and more benefits, then it makes more sense to have a thicker, more premium metal card. That's not what you're going to get here. This is not as thin, I don't think, as the Blue Business Plus card from American Express, which I still contend is the thinnest, flimsiest card that's out there, but it's one that fits in your wallet really well. So this one shouldn't take up a lot of room in your wallet. I carry a Chase Freedom every day, and right now I think it's a good time to talk about some of the benefits of the card if you're not familiar with it already, so let's just get to that. I think Chase does a really good job of laying out the differences between the Freedom Unlimited and the Freedom Flex on their website. The biggest difference that you will notice between these two cards is that the Chase Freedom Flex, or the Chase Freedom that I just product changed to, offers a quarterly bonus of 5 times Ultimate Rewards or 5% cash back on certain categories of spend. So essentially, Chase, every single quarter, will dictate what categories of spend are going to earn 5 times points or 5% cash back. In this particular quarter that we're in right now, in Q3 of 2021, those two categories are select streaming services and groceries, and that is up to $1,500 in spend in those categories. So if you do the quick math, 5 times points times $1,500 in spend, that's 7,500 points that you can get for spend that you would normally do anyway with the card. One thing I do want to make sure that I mention, and that is that the Chase Freedom Flex card is a MasterCard. The Chase Freedom card, which we're talking about in this video, is a Visa card. So there are certain benefits that come with having a MasterCard, and a link for that will be down in the description below. So I already had one Chase Freedom card in my wallet. This will be my second Chase Freedom card, meaning that I have 2 separate cards, and each one of those cards can earn 5 times points in the quarterly bonus categories, and each card can go up to $1,500. So now I've got $3,000 worth of spend that I can get in those categories and earn 5 times points, which is a no-brainer for me because I've got small kids at home that are growing and eating me out of house and home. So you better believe I'm spending $3 grand on groceries over the next quarter. It's scary to say it out loud. I don't like the way that sounds, but it's very true. I hope in this video I gave a good explanation of exactly why I did what I did. Let me know what you think about my decision down in the comments. Was this a good move, a bad move? How do you use your Chase Freedom Flex, or Chase Freedom Unlimited cards? Are they everyday cards that you carry in your wallet? I'd love to hear about it. And keep in mind, we have a lot of new people that are just joining the credit cards, points, and miles community. So any information that you can share down in the comments will help everybody. We want to hear everyone's experience, and that makes us all better informed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications for alerts, and when you click on the Brandon Boyd Show, click, 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 it is time to check in on everything related to credit cards, points and miles, travel, and everything in between, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. I'll see you soon.